Hello, let's be crafty today and make this beautiful white snowflake. It will be so nice on your Christmas tree for holidays. Let's get started. For the work I will use crochet yarn 100% mercerized cotton and crochet hook 1.5. Length I have 200 meters and grams 50 grams. Okay, make a magic ring. Put the crochet hook under, grab the yarn, secure it with a 1 chain. Now make 8 single crochet into this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Join. First you can pull up the short tail, join. Either you can join in chain or you can join in single crochet using slip stitch. If you join in single crochet, we will start with the same loop. Second row, 3 chain to bring up the yarn, 1 double crochet into the same loop. Now make 5 chain arch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over, double crochet into the next loop, another double crochet into the same loop, 5 chain arch, 4, 5, 2 double crochet into the next loop, 1 and 2. Continue the same way till the end. I'm about to finish the second row. I've got 8 pairs of double crochet and so far I have 7 arches. I need to make last one the 8th. And to make the arch and to be in the middle of the arch, I will do 2 chains instead of 5, and I will make double crochet into the chain 3 to join. In this way I will be in the middle of the arch. To start the third row, we need to make 4 chains to bring up the yarn, 4, and now I need to make 6 chain arch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total will be 10 chains. Treble crochet into the next arch, again 6 chain arch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yarn over 2 times, another treble crochet into the next space, and continue the same way. 6 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, treble crochet into the next arch. Continue till the end of this row. To finish row number 3, we need to make last time chain 6 arch and to join with a slip stitch into the 4th chain of the beginning of this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, insert the hook and make slip stitch. Ready. Next row, row number 4, 3 chain to bring up the yarn. Now into the same loop we will work 3 double crochet, This is 1, 2 and 3. Total will be 4 stitches. This 3 chain we count as the first double crochet, second, third, the fourth. Now make 5 chain arch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over, make 4 double crochet shell into the next treble crochet loop. 1, this is 2, 3 and 4. 4 double crochet shell. Again 5 chain arch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over, another 4 double crochet shell into the next treble crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Continue the same way till the end. I'm about to finish the row number 4. I made 5 chain arch and now I need to make slip stitch into the chain 3 to join. The 4th round is completed. Now making the 5th one, 1 chain to bring up the yarn. Now make 1 single crochet into the same loop, next loop, again single crochet, then make half double crochet, pull through all 3 loops at once. Now in the 4th stitch, in the 4th loop, we will make complex of stitches. It will be 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, 1 double treble crochet, 3 times yarn over, enter the hook into the same loop, work through 2 till the end. Ready? Now we will make picot. 1, 2, 3 chain picot, 3 chain, insert the hook under these 2 loops, grab the working yarn, pull through everything. This is 3 chain picot. Now make 5 chain picot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chain, insert the hook under these 2 loops, grab the yarn, pull through all loops at once. Now again make 3 chain picot. 1, 2, 3, insert the hook under these last 2 yarns, grab the hook, grab the yarn and pull through everything. The complex picot is ready. Now to join this picot to the stitch, insert the hook in these last 2 loops. It was the last loop of the double treble crochet and the first loop of our first picot. Grab the yarn, bring through everything. That's what we have in the end. Now make 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, next shell, make single crochet, another one into the next stitch, half double crochet into the 3rd stitch, fourth stitch, double crochet, treble crochet into the same loop, and double treble crochet also into the same loop. And again we will make 3 picot, 3 chain picot, 3 chain, insert the hook under these 2 loops, grab the yarn, work through everything, 5 chain picot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, under these 2 loops, insert the hook, bring through everything, and 3 chain picot on the other side also. See, 1, 2 loops, grab the yarn, work through everything, and 1 more slip stitch to join in these 2 last loops. Ready. 8 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next shell, make 2 single crochet, 1 double crochet, and again make a complex. That's what we have so far. Continue the same way till the end. Continue working, and on the last one, almost the last one, we need to make a hanger, and we will do it instead of 5 chain picot. I will make 35 chain picot. I will show you how to make it. 3 chain picot, join with a slip stitch and the 2 last loops. Now make 35 chains, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 5 more. 4, 5, 35 chain I made. I think that would be more than enough. Now also join under these 2 loops the same way what we've done in 5 chain picot, and now make 3 chain picot, 1, 2, 3. Also join the same way under these last 2 loops, and 1 more slip stitch in the first 2 loops what we had from the first picot and from double treble crochet. The hanger is ready. 8 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and last slip stitch goes into the chain beginning of the row to join, or you can make it in a single crochet, in the very first single crochet. Ready. Now we can cut the yarn and hide all the tails. Later I will use corn scratch to stiffen my snowflakes. This is already made through this process. I will leave you a recipe in the description box, or I will make a video if you want to. Just let me know below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Stay with me to get more crochet projects, and happy holidays to you and to your family. Bye bye.